May isang kababayan tayo na isang coach at isang mixed martial art black belter ang nagbahagi ng kanyang karanasan sa NAIA Terminal 3 parking, at ayon sa kanya dapat aware ang mga kababayan natin sa posibleng scam modus na ito.
Avoid this airport modus outside the terminals. So this happened to me after I arrived from working sa SEA Games sa Terminal 3 parking to. As I went out, we were going to our vehicle, two adults. They were properly dressed. And then they said, "Welcome back. Hello. Do you need any type of assistance? We can help you out." And then I said no. And then they kept walking with us towards our vehicle. Then when we approached our car, so parang ako naman ngayon, okay, medyo shady na to. And then they started this spiel of they were relocated, they were misplaced. And I go like, the fuck is this? And then they were following us towards our vehicle. After calm responses, napansin ko, as I was gonna open the door, they were situated near the door. So para ako ngayon, sabi ko, oy, kayong dalawa, sabi ko, di pa ako natutulog, lumayo kayo sa akin. Kasi, konti na talaga, pipitik na ako eh. And it's not safe for two people, two strangers, following you towards your car. Sobrang red flag yun, sobrang safety issue yun. Now, if that happened to me, it could happen to anybody. What if pamilya or grupo ng mga babae or individual na babae yung pupunta sa parking and she's gonna be followed by two grown adults? Kasi the moment she opens her door, that leads to so many other possibilities. Syempre, as someone who teaches self-defense and personal safety, you have to set boundaries. So this is a big concern, not just for me, kasi inisip ko rin, what if other people don't know how to handle that situation? And there might be other people who would take advantage of this situation. Considering when I looked around, there was little to no security in the area and everything's chaotic. Stay safe at all times. If you're unsure, kung hindi ka sigurado dun sa personalities, if this happens to you, immediately report it to the security or look for someone. Don't open your vehicle. If they keep following you, go back to the arrivals na terminal, then look for a security guard or a police officer.
Actually, sa NAIA talaga ay sobrang nakakatakot dahil halos lahat na ng makawatan ay nasa NAIA na. At ang masakit pa dito ay sila din ang magkakasabwat, kundi ang mga staff, ang mga baggage handler, mga airport police, security guard at iba pa. Kaya hindi mo na din alam kung sino mapagkakatiwalaan sa NAIA. Kaya sa mga kababayan natin, lalo-lalo na sa mga OFW, kailangan natin magdoble ingat at maging alerto kapag nasa NAIA tayo, at kagaya dyan sa naging karanasan ni kabayan sa NAIA Terminal 3 parking.